Hey guys, welcome back to Style with Substance and welcome to the first in a very long while Primark haul. I was just out and about this weekend with a good friend of mine and we were talking about holidays and, you know, just stuff like that. And then I thought, you know what, it's been a very long time since I've done a Primark haul. And the reason that thought came to me is because I know that whenever I go on holiday, I always go to like really affordable stores, like cheap and cheerful, to get my stuff, because I know I'm generally not going to wear it year round, so it can kind of be sort of that one or two use stuff before it kind of disintegrates when you put it in the wash, basically. So it's fast fashion and I don't like to spend too much money on things like that. So I was like, you know what, I'm going to do a Primark haul. And holidays that I have coming up, so I am going to Barcelona at the end of June and also going to Vegas at the beginning of May this year. So I was like, let me start to build my holiday wardrobe, and I basically got a few more things outside of my holiday wardrobe. So, and this is the thing that always happens to me when I go into Primark. I can't walk out with a little bit of stuff. So everything looks cheap. 2 bags. Because everything looks so cheap, you kind of think, oh yeah, £5, £4, £3, £6, or, you know, £8 or £10 if it's like really pricey. And then, you know, you get to the till and they're like, oh, £100, and you're like, huh, didn't really see that coming. So yeah, let me just go through all the stuff. So I'm going to start with clothing items. So I've got a lot of stuff for work, and that is all in this bag. The first thing actually is the jumper I'm wearing. So it's a V-neck, really cool coppery colour. This was £5. I got it in a size 6. So yeah, the sizing in Primark is a little bit different to other high street stores, because in H&M I would normally be a size 8 up top, whereas in Primark I'm a size 6. So I would always size down 1. For my US viewers, I'm afraid, obviously, I mean, if you're coming to the UK, you need to head to Primark, because it's a good place to just pick up some easy wear clothes. So I got this cami, which is white V-neck, and it's got this nice crossover a strap across detail on the back. I got it in a size 8 and it was £4. So not a bad way to go. As is the case with Primark, everything I like I get in a few different colours. So I got the same one in this really nice sort of mustardy yellow colour. It's less mustard, just more yellow, but I don't have anything like this, and I have loads of like nice blazers that I want to wear little things like this in. So got that. That was also £4, I think. Did I say it was £4? Yeah, £4. So these are the little things that you get loads of them and then they just start to add up and you're like, whoa, how did I spend all that money? So then I just got this navy blue cami, which was also £4. I got it in a size 8 and it's pretty see-through now I think about it, but I think it should be okay. Again, this would just go under like a black blazer. Then I got loads more of these V-neck jumpers. So I got this one in black in a size 6, was also £5, and then I got it in this nice khaki green colour. What season is this? I don't even know. This is supposed to be spring, but it ain't really. So this I got in a size 4. Did not realise. Okay. Hopefully that still fits. It looks okay. Size 4? In what world? Anyway. Then I got, so this is all workwear. I got this dress, which was £10. Okay, so this is like a little bit more pricey. I wasn't 100% about this. I kind of asked him to take it out and put it back. But yeah, it's just this gingham print. It's got these fold-up sleeves. And yeah, the neckline is just sort of scoop neck. So yeah, I kind of like it. I'm kind of, yeah, I got it in a size 10. It's just something simple. I've got a nice jumper or cardigan from Mango that I would put over this, just like black tights, stiletto heel boots, and you dress it up. I tend to like dress really affordable items up to make them look more expensive with more expensive outerwear. So I'll spend more money on blazers and coats and things like that rather than you know, tops and dresses and things like that. Not all the time, but yeah. Then I got another one of those camis in this sort of khaki green colour. So it just looks like that. Again, £4 like the rest of them, size 8, all good. Then this is holiday wear. So this is definitely one for Barcelona and also Vegas, poolside. So it's this really cute romper, as you guys will call it in the States, but it's a play suit here in the UK. It's just got this really cute floral print on it and looks like that. So yeah, I'm going to try these on for you guys just so you get a feel for what they look like as well. Then I got some tights. So I got 3 pairs of 40 denier tights for £3. Oh, the romper or play suit. I'll tell you how much it was. That was £13, but it is quite nice, so I think it's worth the money. Got some nail polish remover for £1, and then I got these bendy rollers for £1.50. So I'm gonna do is I want to wear my hair curly for work now, so I'm gonna put these into this hair overnight every night, and then I wake up with curls in the morning, which is great. I needed a new one of these, and when I saw this I was like, this is so cute. Oh, it's a Minnie Mouse hot water bottle. It was reduced from £8 to £3, so I was like, well, I mean, this is a sign, clearly. It's 2 litres, and it has a little opening pouch at the back where the actual hot water bottle is, and it just has the cutest sort of sleeve. So I love these in the winter because I get very cold at night, so I'll either like put it at the bottom of the bed and put my feet on it, or I'll just kind of hug it to me at night. So love that. Then some loungewear. I just picked up these grey joggers, which were £5. I got them in a size 8, and these are just for wearing around the house on like a casual Sunday, like today, where I'm just filming or editing or just doing not a lot of anything. So got those. Then I got this, which is really cool for a casual Friday. This is just a simple grey jumper. It was £10. I got it in a size small, and you know, just something to wear on a Friday, casual Friday in the office when the dress code is a bit more relaxed. Ah yes, then some lady items. So boys, look away. Oh, did I get this? I got this in the wrong size, didn't I? Oh no, it's the right size. I got some bras because I needed some new bras that didn't have, like, all of my bras currently have loads of like lace and pattern and stuff like that, and I wear a lot of tops that show that stuff through, so I needed like smooth bras, so like t-shirt bras. So I got this bra, which is a multi-way bra, so you can wear it strapless, but you can also wear it with the straps. I got it for the strapless purpose, and this was £3.50. And then I just got these 2 t-shirt bras, which were £2 each. Then I got me some lingerie. So I got these seamless hipsters. They call them the invisible hipster, but this is a 3-pack. I got it in medium. So you get a cream one, a white one, and a black one. And those were, it was £5 for the pack. So everyone needs like seamless pants, because if you're ever wearing a dress that is very unforgiving and form-fitting, you just want to know that your knickers, well, VPL is not going to be happening with these. And then not so much no VPL with the next batch, but I needed some nice new panties. So I got these, oh, they're thongs, oh. Okay, yeah, they're like a satiny finish. So I got a 3-pack. They were £5 each. So got this blue colour, got this purple colour, and then you've got this like a salmon pink colour. And then I got another 3-pack of them, and we've got this khaki green colour, this gorgeous sort of pink, like a dark pink, and then this really turquoisey colour. Then, because you can never have too many gold hoops, I got a 2-pack of hoops, which was £1.50. So they've got like a plain gold, and then they've got like a ridged one that comes with ridges. Then I got some shoes. So these are flat shoes to aid my commute going into the office. Sometimes you need flat shoes for the journey. And I got these, which are like ballerina pumps, but they're pointy, so my fave. They just look like that. So I got them in size 6, and they were £4. Amazing. Look quite sturdy. And finally, I just got a a twin pack of deep cleansing facial wipes for normal and combination skin, and those were, it was £1 for the twin pack. So I also just wanted to show you guys some new books that I got in from Amazon, because I'm just going to mix in my book hauls with my normal hauls because it's all shopping. And the first one is this one. So this is The Success Principles by Jack Canfield. It was a New York Times bestseller. This is the fully revised and updated version. He is the co-creator of Chicken Soup for the Soul, which I have talked about on my channel, I think, before. But this book is, the subtitle is How to Get From Where You Are to Where You Want to Be. And I just love the feel of a really soft book like this. You know what, I think what I might do is swap the book that I'm reading now for this one, because I think I'm going to enjoy this more. We'll see. And then The Fateful We're Gonna Need More Wine by Gabrielle Union. So this is like it's kind of like autobiography style, but ultimately it's just a book of stories about her life experience, being an actress in Hollywood. You know, I think she talks about being a woman of colour, competition in the industry that she's in. I mean, this book just screams Black Girl Magic to me, so cannot wait to get into this. I'm going to save this for a few months' time when I've like got myself together. But yes, these are my two new in books. That is everything, guys. Love Primark, love affordable fashion. Hadn't done a Primark haul on my channel for a while. I'm sure there is a really old one back in the day from when I was in my old house. But yeah, it was about time. People always say, you know, I always kind of shop in the same stores, so I was like, let me switch it up, do some Primark. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed that. Subscribe if you are not already, please, please, please. We're trying to grow the channel to 100k this year, so I'm going to keep bringing you these hauls because I know you guys love them. I am also going to link in the description box below a new podcast which I've recently started with my siblings. It's called the Four Wings and Chips podcast. If you're in the UK, you will know about that combo. And yeah, you can check us out. We're on SoundCloud. We're trying to get over to the iTunes podcast app. I will also link down below my Law of Attraction ebook and paperback, which is available on Amazon if you are into that. And I will link all my social channels down below, so come follow me on Instagram if you want to see these bits styled up. And I'm also on Twitter, Snapchat and Facebook. I have a Facebook page for my channel. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Please do come back, please do subscribe, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!